and gents, obviously a very special machine here, a real, obviously, modern day to a certain degree Grand Prix machine. Tell us a little bit about, obviously, the rider, the history, and obviously a little bit about the bike.
This is Broc Parkes, his MotoGP bike from 2014. Last raced Valencia, and his teammate was Michael Laverty. They had 4 GP bikes. The price of this was £800,000 to produce. 4 bikes. They had 12 engines, 28 sets of wheels, 28 sets of fairings, and everything that goes with it, all the packing cases. It's 239 brake horsepower, 139 kilos wet. What you see is a modern MotoGP bike with Kevlar carbon fairings, titanium nuts and bolts, titanium exhausts. Yeah, it's just so light, incredible.
Why did you buy it?
Obviously the love for the sport. As you know, Steve, been around a long while, and I think if this would have gone into someone bought one bike and bought another, then everything split up, and 20 years time people don't know where the team is, where the bikes are, and also as an investment.
Now, of course, obviously a pretty special bit of kit, but looking at this here, obviously with the carbon discs and things, I guess you have to be careful who you let ride them anyway.
Yep. The first person who rode the 2012 ERT MotoGP bike was John McGuinness at Tom Fanai, and he come in, and the beam on his face and his words, "Excuse me guys," he said, "that's the fastest fucking thing I've ever ridden," with a smile.
Yeah, he does ride for Honda.
Well, that fireblade, that slow fireblade, it's got fly-by-wire throttle, it's gone wrong.
Yeah, I don't mean the new one. The new one's good, obviously, but the one I always rode the slowest bikes, always. That's live. I'm sure it's the same for you, mate. No, seriously, a fabulous bit of kit. I've never ridden, a modern day 4-stroke. Obviously, I do a lot of testing for Norton, which on the TT bikes, which are powered by exactly the same engine and electronics, Magneti Marelli, and it's so flipping fast, it really is, and quite user friendly. But I can't imagine what it's like to ride something like this